In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to very quickly set up a squeeze page website, which is good for directing traffic to. You can very quickly use WordPress to set up a site that has none of the traditional blog features. Now, the first thing we want to do is we want to go into the pages, and we have our squeeze page that we created in a prior video, and that's what it looks like. And I'm just going to go back, and that's our default theme installation. And if you notice, I've removed the About page, so that's gone. And what we're going to do is simply add two new pages to this. And the first one, if I can type, is the disclaimer. I'm going to turn off comments and pings, and over here on the right side I'm going to assign the squeeze page template to this page. And now we want to go in and we're going to add a second page, which is just a contact page. And I'm not going to put any content on these pages, these are just for example. And again, we're going to apply the squeeze page template to this page as well. So then when we go back, we have our squeeze page, we have our disclaimer, and our contact. Now let's take a look at our site. Now there's our three pages that we want. Now obviously we're going to get rid of the home page essentially. We're going to go under the Settings tab, into the Reading options, and the front page displays, we're going to go with a static page, and the front page will be the squeeze page. We'll save those changes. Now what we want to do is jump back into our squeeze page, and we're going to go under the squeeze page tab in the options, and we're going to add the links at the bottom of our squeeze page that will link to the other pages in our site. So the code is already here with some just dummy links, and all we need to do is type in the address to our pages, which is our domain name, front slash, and then the name of the page, and change that to contact. Then the disclaimer. Change this link. And then I'm just going to remove the third link. And then we have two breaks and copyright. I'm going to get rid of that as well. And then I'm going to save this. And I'm going to jump back over and I'm going to refresh my page. And if you notice down here, now we have a contact and a disclaimer link. So if we click on the contact link, it takes us to the contact page, which the reason this looks like this is because there just isn't enough content in the page to push the footer down and get past the whole fade in the background. So if you just have a little bit of content on your page, you can always jump into the squeeze page options and select no to show background top gradient. Save it, and I'll just refresh the page again, and it's gone. So chances are you're going to have enough content to get down below that, but if you don't, you can always turn that off. Then we can also link over to our disclaimer page, and it says this is a disclaimer. So if we go back to our main page, that's all there is to it. Now, this is our root domain page, so when people come to FlexSqueeze.com, this is the first page they'll see. So this works really well if you are just creating a sales page for a product and you want to drive traffic direct to the root of your domain and have people hit your sales page. And again, there really isn't any blog functionality going on this page, but it makes it very easy and very fast to put up a professional sales page in WordPress.